Hello guys, today I'm going to try and solve your issue when you start a competitive match and then the game actually crashes and you can't even reconnect, and obviously you get banned and you get tired of it. So one of the things that you actually have to do is, because they reconfigured the files where the config files and video files are for CSGO, I'm going to show you the new location for it, and you actually need this location to fix your problems. So one of the things that you have to do is go to your PC or my computer if you're using a Windows 7 operating system. Go to where you have installed Steam. In my case it's going to be local disk C, and it's going to be program files time x86. Then you need to find Steam, the folder, and the next thing you need to do once you open Steam folder, go to user data. So here you're actually going to, in my case I have 5 folders, 5 different folders, and I need to check every single one of them. You go to the first folder and you have to search for a folder which says 730, like this one over here. You open the folder and you go to local, CFG, and these are the files that you actually need to modify. One of it is config. You open config and you have to search for something particular. Easy way to search is you go to file, actually no, sorry people. You go to edit, you go to find, and you type disable. And you click direction up and down. Sometimes it's actually different for different computers. In my case it's up, in which direction to search, and you click on find next. Okay, it actually doesn't work. So I click on down. Next. Okay, this is the one that you're searching for. CL underline disable HTML MOTD. And that's usually going to be on 0, and you need to change it to 1. Close this, and you have to save it. Then the next thing you want to do, go to video. And sometimes it doesn't open in a notepad or a text editing program, so you need to right click on the file and open it with a text editing applications such as WordPad, Notepad, etc. Open video, and here you want to change setting.mem underline level. You need to change it to 0. After you change it to 0, you just save this, you close it, then you go to the other folder, or these folders over here, and you have to check every single one if it has a folder named 730. So in my case I think actually I have 2 folders named that contain the folder 730. And from here it's basically just the same process. You find CL underline disable HTML MOTD, and let's see if I actually have it. So. Okay, there you go. And you need to change it from 0 to 1. Save it, then you go to video and you change setting.mem underline level to 0. So that's one of the solutions that I actually recommend doing, and it actually helped me a lot when I used to have an AMD PC. So now you just want to go to your game and hopefully try to play it, and hopefully it wouldn't crash. One more thing, if you make all these changes to those documents that we just edited, and you come to the point where you actually have to verify the integrity, game cache or something like that, and when you run it, it's going to reset those documents, and make sure that you actually redo them before you start another competitive game. So I'm going to show you. right click on Counter-Strike Global Offensive in your Steam library, go to Properties, and then go to Local Files. So if you have to click Verify Integrity of Game Cache in order to try to fix something, just keep in mind it's going to reset those documents to be edited, and you know what to do. Thank you for watching, guys, and hopefully if this helped, just please like and subscribe the video. It will be really helpful. Thank you.